Good morning, Gilbert Groot at JLM Lubricants. We are here at the Sheraton Hotel Amsterdam, and we're having our JLM Distributor Conference. Guests from all over the world, post-COVID, very excited. We have a great program.
Well, here today at JLM Conference, looking forward to meeting the new players in the team, the new people that JLM and Gilbert have brought on board, and where they're going to take the business, and really getting to know the vision of the company and where we're going to be in 2023.